In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use OneDrive Home with Copilot features. To get started, sign into your OneDrive account. Once you're in, look over to the navigation panel on the left-hand side of the screen and select Home. This is where OneDrive brings together your files in a more central view, making it easier to quickly find documents you've recently used or want to work with. Next, locate a supported file. Copilot features are typically available for files such as Word documents, Excel spreadsheets, PowerPoint presentations, PDFs, and other compatible document types. If you're not sure which file to test with first, choose one that contains enough content for Copilot to analyze, since that will make the feature more useful and the responses more meaningful. Once you've found your file, hover over it or open it, and then look for the Copilot button if it's available. In this example, I'm selecting the Copilot button directly from the file while hovering over it. After you click it, you'll see a few options appear. These include summarize, create an FAQ, and ask a question. Each option is designed to help you interact with the file in a different way. For example, summarizing is useful when you want a quick overview, while creating an FAQ can help turn the document into something easier to review or share. For this walkthrough, I'm going to choose Ask a Question, but you can select whichever option best fits what you need. After that, a chat panel will open on the right side of the screen. In this panel, you can type your own question about the document, or you can choose from the suggested prompts that appear in the chat. Those suggestions can be helpful if you want to get started quickly or see examples of what Copilot can do. Once you've entered your question, wait for the response. Depending on the size and type of the file, this may take a moment. When the answer appears, take a moment to review it carefully. If you need more detail, or if the first answer leads to another idea, you can continue asking follow-up questions right in the same chat panel. This makes it easy to explore the content of your file without having to search through everything manually. And that's it. That's how to use OneDrive Home with Copilot features.